Hi and welcome to today's company interview with us here at Analyst Group. Today we have the Finnish distillery company Arctic Blue Beverages with us, the company that is currently conducting an IPO to list the company here on the Swedish stock market. And with us via link we have the company's CEO Valtteri Eroma. Hi Valtteri.
How are you doing?
Very happy to have you here. And first of all, for those who perhaps not yet have heard of Arctic Blue Beverages, could you just start by telling us a little bit more about who you are and what you do?
Sure. Arctic Blue Beverages is a Nordic beverage company, and our most known products are the multi-awarded Arctic Blue Gin, Arctic Blue Gin Navy Strength, and then also the dairy-free Arctic Blue Oat, which is like a very innovative new product. Our products are like a manifestation of high quality and unique world of taste as well. And therefore, it's no surprise that our products has been like highly awarded globally, and we've been getting a lot of prestigious awards from the spirits competition since we started in 2018. Our mission is to craft the world's best beverages from carefully selected Nordic ingredients like wild blueberries, northern botanicals, organic oats, and pure spring water. And our special method of distilling the products is unique in the way that it preserves the taste of our Nordic ingredients. So thanks to this, all the natural aromas and pectins and all the essential oils are preserved our products. So I would say that our products are clearly unique and stand out in global scale. And yeah, then global expansion is our target, and therefore we are investing significantly into our brand, our marketing, our new products, and also then expanding current markets and opening new markets. And Nordic brands with this kind of unique story, they can be very strong, especially in Asia. And therefore, Japan has been selected to be one of our strategic main markets as well, main focus markets. And our distribution network is very wide and also very high quality. So, in example, in Japan, Robuchon, which is the multi-Michelin star chain, is representing there. So. High quality products and good coverage in worldwide scale right now. We are currently sold in 15 countries globally, in Nordics, in Japan, in Australia, and also in global travel retail. And the list is growing as we speak here. And proudly this week we will also launch in Sweden. So it's a big next step for us.
It really feels like you have a lot of things in your pipe. And when I first read about your company, Arctic Blue Beverages, I mean, you're stacking up rewards one after one. And as you were saying, you really get the feel that you're expanding rapidly at an increasing pace as well. And you touched a bit upon it, but if you would to dive into it, your products, could you just elaborate a little bit more about what is your edge compared to other players, other distilleries, and such competitors?
It's a great question, and when we started, we only had like few gins, and we, as already mentioned, we got a lot of recognition by those. So we have like gin platform, which is Arctic Blue Gin and Arctic Blue Navy Strength. Now this year we have already launched two new gins, Arctic Blue Gin Rose, which is this kind of our entry to the pink gin category, and then also Arctic Blue Legacy, which is our entry to this very high ultra premium category. So we have like a strong gin platform. Then on top of that, we started this Arctic Blue Oat product last year, which I already mentioned, and this is like the oat platform we see as our kind of platform for growth. We really believe that oat products will be gaining a lot of attention, and there's a huge potential there. So gin products, oat products, and then we also have mild alcohols and non-alcoholic products. So we created a tonic water which works perfectly with our gins. And then we also are working with these RTDs, so-called ready-to-drink products, which are hugely growing globally, and we will be launching oat products in this RTD category as well. So like three main product lines to mention there. And why we are different or how we are different. We do innovate and we do study trends quite a lot and also experiment. So we want to make and create the best beverages, best craft beverages in the world. So, this is something which kind of is our core. And I think the Arctic Blue Oat is one of the great example of this combination of our award-winning gin and pure organic oats combined with the pure spring water. So it's like sounds like a simple combination, but it really isn't. And we succeeded to do that. And this is our approach to do products going forward as well.
Very interesting. And as I mentioned in the beginning, you are conducting a IPO. You're going to list the company here in Sweden and at the same time raise approximately 28 million Swedish kroners. Tell us, how do you intend to use these proceeds ahead? As you mentioned already in the brief, we are expanding quite fast. So this means that we are opening new countries and expanding in the current countries that we have, and this takes a lot of investing and also money and time and so forth. So 70% of the proceeds we are getting, we will be investing to go-to-market strategies and then implementing these strategies in our current countries and new countries as well. So 70% will be like expanding. And then 30% of this will be then focused into our new products. So as said, we currently have already quite a very competitive portfolio, but naturally we will need to proceed with that. We need to bring new products to the market which address the trends and also address the needs of our consumers and so forth. So 30% will be put into like new product innovation, product development, design, branding, market studies, and these kind of activities. And part of this 30% will be also establishing our own like R&D facility, this kind of mini distillery, which will be also opening in Finland later this year. You really have a lot of things in your pipe and again, it seems like you are expanding at a rapid pace. And if you would talk to an investor and tell them one or two or three things perhaps to just sort of keep an eye out for particularly, what do you think they should monitor when it comes to Arctic Blue Beverages for the coming quarters?
This year, I think what will be special is our entry to Sweden. So we will be doing a lot of market-related activities in Sweden. And then if we think about our current products this year, we already the gins we launched and which were already also awarded in the latest competition from San Francisco, Arctic Blue Gin Rose and Arctic Blue Gin Legacy. Those will be like those will be the products that we will mostly focus our activities this year. And then maybe last item is the RTD. So the RTD segment is growing rapidly, and we need to. And this is also the kind of the third area where we'll be working a lot and launching new products. So I would say Sweden as a market, and then the two new gins and the oat RTDs will be the kind of like things to watch this year. And
lastly then, just to sum everything up, if you would to give 3 reasons, according to yourself, why Arctic Blue Beverages is a good investment opportunity today. Which 3 reasons would you then give?
Excellent question. I could give you many reasons, but I'll try to focus in 3 ones here. So I think for us, like being a premium brand means that our products are premium, but that also means that our margins are premium as well. So I think like having a premium brand, premium products, premium margins, and a unique story in a global scale. That would be the kind of reason number 1. Then reason number 2 is our product. So we have like a multi-award-winning gin portfolio, and then we have this unique new platform for growth, which is our oat portfolio. So these are the 2 ones which will really stick out, and we believe that we have a really high competitive edge there. And then third one is our current market. So we have a pretty significant foothold already in the current markets within Europe and also in Asia. And we believe that once we can get this strategy forward with these areas and also our e-commerce strategy, which is supported in all of those main market areas, we will really make a big progress. So in short, premium brand, great products, and current foothold and potential to grow in these countries.
Thank you so much for those answers, Valtteri. Very interesting to hear. And those were all the questions from us here at Analyst Group today. So thank you so much for attending. And as I mentioned before, and as we have talked about today, the company is conducting an IPO. So do read more about Arctic Blue Beverages either on the company's own website or our website at Analyst Group to keep updated for more information about Arctic Blue Beverages.